Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be making Moroccan kebabs and couscous. Here we have about a half a kilo of lamb that we've cubed. For the sake of this video, we have marinated the lamb in a mixture of spices called ras el hanout. Our spice mixture can be found on our website at plateonabudget.com. We chose to use steel skewers, but wooden ones are fine, providing you soak them in water to prevent burning. Place them on a baking pan and cook them on 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Now let's move on to the couscous. To a pan over medium-high heat, we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 chopped onion and sauté. Add 3 cups of vegetable broth, a half teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of sumac. Cover and bring it to a boil. Once boiled, take it off the heat and add in 1½ cups of couscous. Cover and set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. After the 10 to 15 minutes, fluff the couscous with a fork and add 3 tablespoons of chopped dates. A 1/4 cup of toasted hazelnuts, and a 1/4 cup of raisins. Garnish with parsley and pomegranate seeds. It all smells so wonderful. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment suggestions or future video ideas. See you next time on another episode of Plate on a Budget.